built a new house, right? And I connected with Elite Elevators for the elevator. So I wanted hydraulic elevators because of its low maintenance. So I went online, searched, got Elite Elevators. It's one of the only at that time in Bangalore. Then came techniques and other things. But yeah, Elite Elevators was first that I honored. It's been good. All people have been talking pretty well. So even though there's been delays in the construction and all, the technicians have been very helpful. So yeah, they're good. It's not too jerky, right? People are fine. We've got an elevator which has 800 mm free space for wheelchair access, and there's alarms if it's overweight. The door sensors are working fine, so it's good. Working fine.